Hello viewers, welcome to Dress Up Tara's channel. Today I'm going to do a DIY video on hand sanitizer Pocketbac holder. I love Bath&BodyWorks and their hand sanitizer design are super cute, but it can be pretty pricey, up to $5 to $10. The good thing there is a $1 Pocketbac holder. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pretty design Pocketbac holder. This pink glittery Pocketbac holder, I'm going to use the Japanese Cherry Blossom hand sanitizer as a base. Moving on, I bought a pink sparkly glittery bow from Walmart. The bow looks super pretty and sparkly. I'm going to glue the small white circle with a classic felt fabric. Then I'm going to cut it up to a teeny tiny square. Next, I'm going to use E6000 glue to the fabric onto the circle. Then I grab the glue gun. So I just press the glue gun gently so I can apply a small amount of glue on the Pocketbac. And then press the bow gently. I'm so sorry that I pulled away from the camera, but I'm going to apply another bow on the other side of the Pocketbac holder so you can all see how I press the bow. And there it is, the finished results of DIY hand Pocketbac holder. I will link below for every item that I have used in this video. If y'all would like to try this for fun, go for it. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.